Almost time for the midweek video. I'm just kidding. Monday morning. We got time to walk. So it's time to walk and do what I got to do. People passing me, look at that. I'm walking over there. The rest area is way back over that way. I got to go back underneath this bridge here and then back that way. Sorry for all the wind. I'm trying to shield the microphones. I don't even know what they're called right now. But anyway, I get more stuff going on. I'll talk to you guys again. What do I see up there? Looks like a lowered Ranger to me with a bunch of trash bags in the back. Probably got their stuff in it. This is northbound on I-57. So I'm pretty sure they're headed back from St. Louis. I just thought I'd come over here and take a look at it. Maybe get a couple pictures of it. God love me a lowered truck. It might be either that or it's just got a bunch of trash in it. Oh well. I'm gonna keep walking. I don't know if it's lowered or if it's just got trash in it. Tuesday morning. Got my walk in. Now I'm trying to make it back over the truck. The weight loss, I'm put to you like this. People are going to look at you and they're going to think, why's that fat person trying to do that? It ain't going to do them no good. But see, those people, they're not going to see you when you get done. They're not going to see what you've accomplished. So you don't need to worry about those people. You need to worry about you. I worried about that. People staring at me, looking at me like, why is he walking? Why is he doing that? Why is he trying to lose weight? Well, like I said, you gotta do it for you. So, yeah. All right, here we are. Wednesday morning. I had to take my glasses off because it's foggy. And it was getting on my glasses, so I couldn't see where I was going. So, yeah. That's what I'm doing. I'm actually in, where am I? I think I'm like Paris, Texas. Walking around a Walmart right now and a bunch of other parking lots. The goal for me right now is to try to get to 2 miles in 30 minutes. And then I'll just start trying to amp it up from there as I progress. How far can I get in 30 minutes? That's always going to be my goal, is to outdo that. But I gotta get maybe a rain suit for the days that it rains. That way I can keep going, because I don't want to have to stop on shit like that. So, all right, anything else happens today, I'll pop in. Video will be up tonight, you know. As you can see, I'm home. We're making a big dog pile on a tatty. Okay.
Lift me, mommy.
So I'm at the house, and I was able to get one night at the house. I got to leave back out first thing in the morning. Tomorrow's Wednesday?
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Oh, yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. Okay, so I'm going to leave out tomorrow morning.
Today's Wednesday.
Well, yeah. So anyway, we're just having some family time. I figured I'd go ahead and get a little bit of wrap up on this video. This weekend, I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. It's just going to be me and Kathleen this weekend. And we're going to probably try to go through some of the stuff in the storage. Get a little bit of the stuff straightened out here in the mini shop, and then we're also going to be going and I'd like to try to get some of the stuff out of the Ranger so we can better get to working on it. I need to find my power tools still so that I can put them in the Silverado and be able to get the steel cut. So that's another thing I need to do, is I need to measure the let me get up. I'm trying to do a sit-up. Need to measure the frame so that I know exactly how far I need to cut them. That's another thing I can do, and I can put that measurement into the phone so that I don't forget it. What, April? What? So anyway, that's what's going on. That's midweek. It's kind of a short video, but we're just sitting here having a good time before we have to go to sleep because I got to get up early in the morning and go back to work. Yay! One of these days I'll win the lottery. Then I'll just be building trucks and going to Disney World.
Land. It's Disneyland.
Yeah, it's Disney World too.
Disneyland is in California. Disney World is in Florida. Yeah. So, anyway, that's all I got for this time around. Join me this weekend as we embark on cleaning up and straightening up and doing all kinds of stuff. So, and we'll talk to you guys on the next video. And thumbs up and comment at the bottom. And yeah, I'm just going to keep walking. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get my walk in tomorrow morning, but hopefully I can. So, again, see you guys. Thumbs up. Bye.
Like, subscribe.
Bye. Later, everybody.